So here we are looking at the ATRN daily chart. Just did this one yesterday. This video is going to be real quick. I just want to map out the support levels that we want to keep our eye on because I do think that we're going to have a consolidation period now entering just based on this candle here. We have the inverted hammer, and if you look at any sort of, just run a Google search or whatever on an inverted hammer, you'll see what I'm talking about. Now remember, I'm just saying consolidation. I'm not saying reversal or anything like that, so don't confuse words. Consolidations are not a sign of weakness or anything like that. But hopefully I'm just preaching to the choir now because we have 1, 2, 3, and then 4 times now where this chart has already gone through some consolidation. So unless you just got in now, just look back at the history. But from reading the message boards and stuff, I get the impression that the majority of people have been around. So no need to freak out just because there may be some consolidation. Everybody should be well used to it now and understand that it is healthy for the chart. So with any sort of pullback, I want to just map out a few levels of support. The first one being up here, the high of yesterday's candle, which is essentially where the price pulled back today. I'm going to leave this line just extra skinny because it is a level of support. But at the same time, if the price were to drop below there, by no means is it reason to freak out or anything like that. I'm going to move this line up just to this previous high there. So I know we had 13 as a support, but we're just going to make that 13.5 cents now since that was the previous high here. Then I'm also just going to leave the 9.5 cent level. I do not see the price pulling all the way back here. I could see 13.5 cents, but with the way these moving averages are quickly catching up, I just can't see any sort of move all the way down here to 9.5 cents. But in regards to the right here at 15.5 cents, that's not very unrealistic at all. And then quite possibly the 13.5 cent level too. But as always, with any sort of pullback, that's where we want to see volume get as small as possible. So that is that. In terms of resistances, 18 still going to be the key level. You can see didn't quite hit it today, got pretty close, but 18 is still remains resistant, so no updates needed on that front. So overall though, great looking chart. A very nice Wednesday, Thursday, Friday here. Definitely had some profit takers and so forth stepping in before the weekend, and if that continues, which this candle does suggest, into early next week, probably see something like this, or maybe something not quite as bad and just more sideways action. But regardless, like I said at the beginning, everybody's been through these consolidations with this one before. So, and as long as the support levels hold, then really nothing to worry about, and it's just going to prove to be healthy for the overall chart. So if there are any other questions going into the Wizard this weekend, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, check it out, and see what it's all about. Once again, this was ATRN. Thanks for listening, and enjoy your weekends.